Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report. Charts Appraisals on Thursday 28th of April with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at cable. And cable has been strong in the last few days, and last couple of weeks really, as these significant rebound from 40 big figure has added pretty much 600 ticks now in just around 3 weeks. And the technical outlook is certainly more positive and still straining to possibly break out that February high, and I think if it did that 46.70, if it made that breakout, I think that would be a considerable sort of improvement in the outlook of the chart. But you've still got this downtrend here in place that you'd need to break out through as well. So that downtrend today on my chart around 46.60. So it would be that it would be a breakout through that as well. So that is a level that you're sort of looking at on the long side. They've had a slightly sort of corrective candle yesterday on the back of the Fed, but again a rebound today on the dollar weakness, and it's sort of strengthening once more. The RSI remains above 70, the MACD lines above neutral, stochastics into positive territory. So you're looking pretty strong across the board. If you can get a breakout above that 46.70 mark on above that February high, that would be a strong move. That would then open 48 figure, which is a sort of a minor bit of support there, but then more predominantly sort of 49.50 area. So that would be an important move. Not only that, 45.63 has always been this sort of old April low from 2015, and that would also confirm that being broken. So it would certainly, I think, turn around several indicators that would suggest that the bulls are sort of beginning to regain some sort of foothold in this market and sort of move away from the whole selling into rallies thing. I'm sort of changing that view now as we're sort of trading through around this resistance area and sort of looking to break through it, and you've already broken the sequence of lower highs, and the strengthening of the momentum indicators suggest, I think, to me that momentum is more positive now with this cable chart, and sterling is increasingly sort of looking to the upside. So where are we looking at in terms of supports? Well, I've said recently, or said yesterday, that the old support, the breakouts, is important. So 43 figure, and then 44, pretty much 44 figure, 44.70. Look at that! I spoke about that yesterday, and it hit that bang on after the Fed. So 44.70 is your sort of post-Fed key reaction low. You could also tighten that a little bit further to 45.20, which is the overnight low to this morning, which again coincides with an old breakout on that alley chart. Very interesting. So these levels do come back to find support, and the chart is certainly sort of moving towards a retest of that 46.38 level. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.